In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit Google Classroom in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're wrapping up a course or need to declutter your digital learning space, leaving a Google Classroom is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your online educational environment. First, let's start from the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and go to google.com. This is going to be our starting point. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing all things Google, including Google Classroom. After clicking sign in, the next screen you see will prompt you to choose your Google account. If you have more than one account, make sure to select the one associated with the Google Classroom you intend to exit. This is crucial because each account holds its distinct data and subscriptions, including the classrooms you're enrolled in. Once you've selected the correct Google account, you'll be asked to type in your password. Security first, always. Type in your password carefully, and once you're sure it's correct, you can proceed to click on Next. This will bring you into your Google account dashboard, where you have access to all your Google services. Now let's navigate to where we need to be. Look for the Google Apps menu, which is typically represented by a grid of dots located at the top right corner of the screen, near your profile picture. Click on it to reveal the various Google services available to you. From this array of options, locate and click on Google Classroom. This is our target destination. Upon entering Google Classroom, you'll be greeted by the home page that displays all your active classrooms. To exit a specific classroom, you'll first need to navigate to it. So go ahead and select the classroom you wish to leave by clicking on it. This action will take you inside the classroom, where you can see assignments, class discussions, and more. Now, for the main event. Inside the classroom environment, look for 3 vertical dots or an options menu, usually found near the classroom name or at another visible spot within the classroom header. These dots are your pathway to more actions you can perform within this specific classroom. Click on the 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the list of options presented, look for unenroll. It might require a bit of scrolling depending on how many options are there, but it should be fairly easy to find. Once you've found it, click on unenroll. Here's a critical moment. After clicking unenroll, a confirmation dialog box will appear, asking you to verify your decision. This serves as a safety net to prevent accidental unenrollment. If you're sure about your decision to leave the classroom, go ahead and click on unenroll once more in this dialog box. Remember, clicking this will remove access to the classroom content, assignments, and discussions. And just like that, you've successfully exited the classroom. It's a simple process, but it's important to proceed thoughtfully, especially if you're leaving a classroom where there might be ongoing assignments or information you'll want to access later. Always make sure to save or back up any important information before unenrolling. Before I wrap up, let me underscore the importance of verifying that you're exiting the correct classroom. It's always good practice to double check the classroom name and details before making the final decision to unenroll. Mistakes happen, and it's better to be cautious than to accidentally leave a classroom you intended to stay in. Exiting a Google Classroom is as easy as that. Whether you're doing some digital housekeeping or moving on from a completed course, knowing how to manage your classroom engagements empowers you to control your online learning environment. We've covered every step today, from signing in to unenrolling, ensuring you're well equipped to manage your Google Classroom memberships with confidence. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Remember, digital learning is an ongoing journey, and managing your online spaces effectively contributes significantly to a clear and focused educational pursuit. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.